Bottlenose dolphin. The bottlenose dolphin is likely the first image that comes to mind when you think of a dolphin. A true superstar of the ocean, thanks to its frequent appearances in media. Named for its short, stout beak, this highly intelligent animal lives in complex social groups called pods, where it communicates using a series of clicks and whistles. These clicks also serve a dual purpose for echolocation, allowing the dolphin to create a detailed sound map of its surroundings to find food. They are incredibly adaptive hunters, and some pods even develop unique strategies passed down through generations, such as strand feeding, where they cooperatively herd fish onto a mudbank for an easy meal. While we often think of them as one type, there are actually distinct species, like the widespread common bottlenose and the slightly smaller Indo-Pacific bottlenose. This combination of charisma, intelligence, and global presence makes the bottlenose a fascinating and beloved fixture of the sea. Orca. The orca, commonly known as the killer whale, is in fact the world's largest and most powerful species of dolphin. This apex predator's intimidating name is thought to be a mistranslation of whale killer, a title earned from ancient observations of them hunting large whales, not from being a threat to humans in the wild. Living in complex, family-led pods, orcas display incredible intelligence and culture, with different groups specializing in unique hunting techniques passed down through generations. For example, some pods in Antarctica work together to create massive waves that wash seals off floating ice, a stunning display of teamwork, while others have learned to patrol specific coastlines to snatch sea lions right from the beach. This sophisticated, learned behavior, combined with their distinct vocal dialects, showcases the complex social structure that firmly places them within the highly intelligent dolphin family. Spinner dolphin. Named for their spectacular aerial displays, spinner dolphins launch themselves from the water and rotate on their long axis like a living corkscrew, sometimes completing up to 7 full rotations in a single leap. While it often looks like pure joy, this incredible acrobatic behavior is a complex form of communication, used to signal their location to the pod, coordinate movements, or even dislodge small fish hitching a ride on their skin. These slender dolphins possess a distinct 3-part color pattern with a dark gray back, a lighter gray stripe along their sides, and a white or pinkish belly. Uniquely, they live life in reverse, resting and socializing in shallow, protected bays during the day, and then traveling offshore at night in enormous groups, sometimes numbering in the thousands, to hunt for squid and small fish in the deep ocean waters. Amazon River dolphin. Deep within the murky waters of South America's river basins lives a dolphin unlike any other. The Amazon River dolphin, often called the boto, famous for its remarkable pink hue, this color isn't something they're born with, but develops with age, excitement, and even scar tissue, making older males the most vibrant. Perfectly adapted to its complex environment, its long snout is ideal for probing riverbeds for crustaceans and fish, while its unfused neck vertebrae allow it to turn its head at a sharp angle, a crucial skill for navigating tangled, flooded forests. In the dark, sediment-rich water where eyesight is limited, this highly intelligent creature relies on sophisticated echolocation, using clicks and whistles as a form of biological sonar to paint a picture of its surroundings. Revered in local folklore as a mythical shapeshifter, this unique freshwater dolphin is a true icon of the Amazon, now facing an uncertain future as an endangered species. Common dolphin. True to its name, the common dolphin is one of the most widespread and abundant cetaceans on the planet, found in temperate and tropical oceans worldwide. These sleek, fast swimmers are easily identified by a distinctive and colorful hourglass pattern on their sides, usually a patch of tan or yellowish gold near the front, and a streak of gray toward the tail. But what truly defines them is their incredible social energy. They often gather in staggering groups called superpods, which can number in the thousands, turning the ocean's surface into a bustling spectacle of activity. This energy is on full display as they perform breathtaking acrobatics, leaping and spinning completely out of the water, or when they famously surf the bow waves created by boats. Their highly cooperative nature makes them formidable hunters of fish and squid, working together to herd their prey into a tight ball before feeding. Risso's dolphin. The Risso's dolphin is a rugged traveler of the deep, looking as if it's been etched with a lifetime of stories. These distinctive white scars, which accumulate over the years, are not signs of injury but are the result of social interactions with other rhesos and battles with their favorite prey. Think of their skin as a living passport, where every mark is a memory of a tussle with a tough-beaked squid in the dark ocean depths. Born a dark gray, these stocky dolphins can become almost completely white as they age, their bodies a testament to their experiences. They are easily recognized by their large, blunt head that lacks the prominent beak seen in many other species, giving them a unique and powerful profile as they patrol the world's temperate and tropical seas. Hector's dolphin. Meet one of the smallest and rarest dolphins on the planet, the Hector's dolphin, found exclusively in the coastal waters of New Zealand. You can recognize them instantly by their unique dorsal fin, which isn't pointed and curved like a typical dolphin's, but is instead rounded like a Mickey Mouse ear. Growing to only about 4.5 feet long, they are shorter than many adult humans, making them true hobbits of the sea. Tragically, their small size and preference for shallow, near-shore habitats make them incredibly vulnerable, and they are critically endangered primarily due to entanglement in fishing nets. An even rarer subspecies, the Maui dolphin, now numbers fewer than 60 individuals, highlighting the urgent need for protection for this tiny, distinctive, and precious species. Pilot whale. Despite the whale in their name, the pilot whale is actually one of the largest species of oceanic dolphin, second only to the orca. Their name comes from the long-held belief that each pod follows a single leader, or pilot, navigating the open ocean. These dark, bulbous-headed dolphins are divided into two species, the long-finned and the short-finned. Their most defining characteristic is an incredibly strong social bond, living in tight-knit, multi-generational family groups that hunt for squid and travel together for life. This intense loyalty, however, can have a tragic side. Pilot whales are well known for mass strandings, where an entire pod will follow a sick or disoriented leader onto a beach, a powerful and heartbreaking example of their profound social connection.